Hotep, I am the Amen Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are Deception Stoppers, America's only child support 4D education service, the 4D Destroyers. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We don't advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate you made them in private, take care of them in private. And today, in this session, I'm going to do it real quick because I think it's funny. All right. Someone has stated that you can't sue contractors because they have immunity under the Yearsley Doctrine. All right, and in short, the Yearsley Doctrine is a Supreme Court held that the doctrine of sovereign immunity that traditionally applies to what? U.S. government may be extended to government contractors. Okay? In instances where the government authorized the contractor's actions in question and the government's validity conferred such authorization. Fine and dandy. That's cute. Okay? But herein lies the problem. Okay? And again, people don't have the actual evidence. Here is the contract overview. Okay? And we're going to look at the definitions. Okay? Following definitions apply to this rule and supplemental rules. All right? Now, contractor refers to a private or governmental entity whom the CSEA enters into a 4D contract. Governmental entity includes the following entities in the same county as the CSEA. All right, these are all your contractors. We just went over that in the last video. Okay. Now, the funny part is if you go to line 13, it tells you private entity means a company, organization, or individual that does not meet the definition of governmental entity. And up here, the Child Support Enforcement Agency does not meet, it is not defined as a governmental entity. See it? Governmental entity includes, it's not there. So therefore, all right, it is a private entity. Okay? Because it is a private entity, let's go back here. All right, hold on. All right, so under the current 4D contract, the CSEA is not a government agency if it is because it is listed as a private company, organized or individual that does not meet the definition of governmental entity. All right, that's what the Child Support Enforcement Agency. So the Yearsley Doctrine is moot. It does not apply. Why? Because the word private, affecting or belonging to private individuals as distinct from the public generally, public meaning government. Not official, not closed with office. Okay, so don't get discouraged if you see somebody trying to post this and make a video on it and talk trash about it. It can't happen. Okay, the 4D agency is private. All right, it is single and separate. It is alone, apart, and by itself, and it is not defined as a governmental entity, and therefore the Yearsley Doctrine cannot apply to it. They do not get immunity. Damn, I'm good. All right, so be very careful, gentlemen. Do your research. I agree. Do your research. Okay? Do your research. And by all means, again, don't take my word for it. Get the contracts. Okay? It tells you right there that it's private. And the beauty about it is, look, again, they're in an independent capacity. The contractor and his agents, employees, and subcontractors will act in performance of this 4D contract in an independent capacity and not as officers or employees or agents of the state or the Child Support Enforcement Agency, which, in fact, they're in a contract with these folks. It's not the other way around, and therefore the Yearsley Doctrine can't apply to it. All right? Judge will laugh the Yearsley Doctrine right out of court with just what we showed you here in 5 minutes. I'm the Amen Osiris. All right? If you need me, bang my email, 4D_destroyer@yahoo.com. Okay? This is like taking candy from a baby to us. All right? I'm a registered member of Casetext. I can find any case law that you want. Okay? So, again, gentlemen, do your research. All right? Don't take my word for it. You study this video. Okay? All right? And it proves that the Child Support Enforcement Agency is not listed as a government entity. It is a private entity, and because it is private, all right, it is not official, not cloaked with office. I'm the Amen Osiris, Hotep.